y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is everlenia.chenelle, and today I'm just going to be creating a simple going out look. I'm going to start off by prepping and priming my face using the Makeup Revolution Bacon Oil, and I'm just going to rub that in all over. Once I have my face all prepped and primed, I start off with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the shade Black Brown. After I get my eyebrows to my desired liking, I go in with my Girl Pro Concealer, and using the shade Fawn, I just clean them up and make sure they look nice and neat. Once I have my eyebrows all cleaned up, I take that same shade Fawn and I spread it all over my eyelid to prep for my eyeshadow. After spreading that concealer all over my eyelid, I just go in with my beauty blender and make sure it's all blended out. Once I have that all blended out, I start off with my transition shade, and I'm using the Nyx Lil Lipore palette from the Sugar Trip Squad collection, and I'm using the shade number 9. Now I'm just using my e.l.f. primer putty to prime my eyelid, getting it ready for my pigment. Now that I have my eyelid all primed, I'm just going in with my Bad Beauty Cosmetics Neon Pigment in the shade Pink, and I'm spreading that all over my eyelid. Once I have that neon pigment all spread out, I just go back in with my shade number 9 and I just blend it to make sure it's nice and even. Now I'm just going to go in with my NYX Matte Liner to line my eyes so that I can apply my lashes. And I did apply my lashes off of camera, but I will try to link them in the description below. Now I'm going to start my face by concealing my dark spots, and I'm doing so by using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange Corrector. Once I have all my dark spots concealed, I start my foundation, and I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC50, and I just blend that out with the Beauty Blender. Now that my foundation is nice and blended, I'm going to start my contour, and I'm going to sculpt my face using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Once my face is all sculpted, I'm going to start my contour, and I'm doing so by using the Sephora Bright Future Concealer in the shade Chocolate Souffle. Now that I have everything contoured and sculpted, I just start blending so that everything is nice and even, and to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. Once everything is nice and even, I start to bake and set my face, and I did so by using the Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari, as well as the black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in the shade Dark to Deep. After I let that set and bake, I go back in and I start to blend everything to make sure it's also nice and even. Once everything is blended, I go ahead and apply my blush. After my blush is applied, I go in using my highlighter from my Black Radiance palette, and I just apply that to my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, as well as my brow bone. Then I'll go ahead and set my face. Now that my face is done, I just go back in with my NYX Jumbo Crayon in the shade Black, and I just apply that to my waterline as well as that shade number 9. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, all products used are in the description below. And don't forget to follow me on social media, which is also below. Thank you guys. Bye.